there, it's Laura. Welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing my July kit for my Scrap My Stash challenge. If you haven't checked out the first video in this series, check out June's video. Every month I am creating a kit from my stash to help me crush through my stash and get it used up and get it out of my room and actually into the memory keeping albums to make stuff with it instead of just hoarding it. So today I am sharing July's kit with you, and this kit looks so much different from last month. I am very excited to see how this kit works for me. So I have two different color themes going on for the month of July. The first one that I have is gold and pink, and this is because I will be documenting a lot of my baby niece, and then also because I really like gold and pink, so I regularly use those colors. And you can see some of the embellishments I have grabbed out to fit in that color theme here. They all work pretty well together. I've got some big stickers from a Me and My Big Ideas big sticker pack. I've got this little baby sticker pack again from Me and My Big Ideas. Some wood embellishments here that I think will look really cute with this craft color from the sticker pack. I've got this cute sheet of tab stickers that I'm hoping to use. I pulled these out. I don't know if I'll use I don't think I will use these all, and I don't care if I do. I just thought they worked really well with these colors, and it's a good chance to use a lot of them up. I've got this cute little tag holder and an ephemera piece, a half-used sticker sheet, a mostly used sticker sheet, another mostly used sticker sheet, another mostly used sticker sheet, another sticker, these cute little clouds, which will work really good with the Sweet Dreams and the sheep one right there. And then I've got some pink flowers that'll work good with all of these different pink colors. And then I've got some of these cute tropical vibes, since when I went to visit my niece, it was down in Florida, so I might make some layouts like that. And then to go along with these tabs, I've grabbed some more tabs. So tabs are going to be a big one for me this month. See how many I can use up. And then I grabbed these cute little pink butterflies. I thought these would be really cute, maybe on a baby layout, and then also in some fun snail mail. And then I've got these really cute acetate heart and circle pieces here from A Beautiful Mess. And there's actually 2 packages of them in here, so there's a lot. And then I've got these cute orange and pink tissue paper circles that I thought would be really cute to do a mixed media layout with. And then I have got this half-used chipboard sticker pack, so hoping to use this up. And then I've also got a ton of mostly used sticker packs here, and I'm really excited to make a dent in these and hopefully finish some up. I've got this one, which has a ton of random different products on it, where I only had 1 or 2 stickers left, so I put them on this sheet all together. Hopefully I can use all of this up. Then I've got this crepe paper Oasis sticker pack that's almost all gone. I'm hoping to use this entirely up as well. And then I've got this beautiful Maggie Holmes one. I believe this is Chasing Dreams. And lots of really beautiful stickers here that I'm hoping to completely use up. And then I've got this gold foil. Again, it's another Me and My Big Ideas big sticker there. And that's what I have for the pink and gold kind of theme. And then for the blue and silver, because it is going to be the 4th of July this month, I thought it would be really fun to have the blue and the silver out. So I have this big pack of silver foil stickers. I've got so many stars here. I've got silver foil stars, silver glitter stars. I've got silver glitter stars and gold glitter stars in this pack. Some silver rhinestones to embellish with. These pretty little white vellum flowers with silver rhinestones in the middle. And then some blue butterflies. Again, I thought this would be really cute, like on a 4th of July layout, or to go along with some snail mail. And then I've got another Me and My Big Ideas big sticker, and this one has blue foil on it that matches these butterflies. And then I've got this cute little tissue heart here and some cute little animals. And I'm only planning on using 1 or 2 of these animals in a baby layout, but I thought it would be good to grab them out and try to use them because these have been in my stash for more than 5 years and I haven't used a single one. So hopefully I will start that pack and make a dent in it this month. So this is all of the stuff that I have grabbed for embellishments, and then next I will show you paper. For paper this month I grabbed a ton of scraps. You can see here tons of just layers upon layers of different scraps here. Most of them are sticking in that pink and the blue, the silver and the gold theme there. Lots of that, and then some glitter paper too, little paper scraps I have from past projects left over. And then I also grabbed a pretty thick stack of 12 by 12 papers. I've got this really pretty cross one that will work good with any blue or silver layouts. This pretty embossed white paper, a black and white, another black and white. I grabbed 2 of this really soft reddish pink and white papers. Another black and white. This one has blue and pink. And then a pretty tealish color. And then this is technically a scrap, but it's still in its 12 by 12 format, and I think I can just put some photos right over the middle of this and actually use this whole thing as a 12 by 12 sheet. And it'll be fun to challenge myself to use these as backgrounds because I rarely ever use solid colored cardstock for backgrounds. And then I have got this patterned paper here with a really tiny gray checkerboard on it. And then some white cardstock. I grabbed 4 sets of little alphabet stickers that are already partially used that I would really like to completely finish this month. So I have this old one from Gossamer Blue, and it's got black alphas and cream and tan alphas. And then I've got just a tiny bit left of this red alphabet sticker pack. And then I've got this red alphabet sticker pack here. It's actually vellum stickers. And then this pink one. So I thought those would be a good addition to this kit to try and use up what's remaining of these 4 little alphabet sticker packs. So this is a look at everything I have in my July Scrap My Stash Challenge kit. I hope you follow along with this series so you can see all of the fun stuff that I make in July and what is left from this kit at the end of the month after I try and use it all up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more crafty inspiration. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!